All related videos to make this Easter hamper are mentioned in the description box below. So let's get started with making these hampers. For the hamper, I'll be making some mini Marzipan Easter eggs and be using the mold. Plus, I'll show you how to do them without the mold too. You will find the recipe for the Marzipan in the description box below. Just roll a small tiny ball of Marzipan and then make it oval and give it an egg shape. Let's do some more. Take the Marzipan, roll it round into a ball, then give it an oval shape. Then you can use a plastic mold just to give it a more perfect shape, though it's actually not required. You can make them quickly this way too, and they are ready in no minutes. Showing how to do once more. Roll, oval shape. That's it. I'll be doing the rest in a similar manner and show you. After making all the eggs, let them dry for at least an hour so that we can pack them further. These are chocolate foil wrappers, easily available in all bakery accessory shops and online too. I have cut the paper into two so it's easy to roll. Just wrap the mini Marzipan Easter eggs and push the sides tight and wrap it tightly in this manner. And a Marzipan mini Easter egg is ready. I'll be showing one more. This is the standard size which it usually comes. Put the egg inside and wrap both the ends and twist both the edges tight round and use a pair of scissors and snip off the excess. And just bend the cut off tips backwards. That's it. This is even more easier than the previous method. I have finished wrapping all of them. Now let's start with the hampers. How to make and decorate these Easter eggs. The video link is in the description box below. This basket is available in shops selling decorative items for hampers, and I've added some shredded paper in it. Place all the Easter goodies into the basket. You can decide as to what goes into the basket. I'm using a small egg, a hat, and a chicken in the basket, and those little tiny Marzipan Easter eggs as fillers so that the basket looks full and complete. You can also add tiny chocolate Easter eggs instead of those Marzipan eggs. Placing a large cling wrap over it and pulling it towards the bottom of the basket, and we'll be sealing it with some sellotape pieces so the cling wrap does not move. Place a plastic ribbon over it, and you can also add a personalized message with some Easter greetings along with the ribbon. Our first hamper is all ready. Now let's make the second one. This too is a silver plastic tray. It's a little bigger than the previous one and has a more depth down. So I've added more shreds in this. Place all the goodies into it. If you do not have paper doilies, you can also use cupcake liners to keep the goodies on it and then place it into the basket. Just adjusting the place between the goodies so they are well seen once they are covered with cling film. Videos on how to make these gum paste flowers and these Easter eggs are all mentioned in the description box below. Do watch them before you could start to make the hamper. Our hampers are all ready, and I hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe, like, share and comment. I would love to hear from you. And for more such videos, please do subscribe. Thank you.